I'm sure you've heard the news. The stock market is where your money can work as hard as you do. The answer lies in the exciting world of the stock market. It's a place where you can potentially grow your savings and achieve your financial goals. Whether you're aiming for a comfortable retirement, a down payment on a house, or simply a brighter financial future, the stock market offers a path to get there. Many people think of the stock market as a complex and intimidating realm reserved for financial experts. However, the truth is that anyone can learn the basics and start investing, even with a small amount of money. This essay will guide you through the fundamentals of the stock market, introduce you to various investment options, and provide practical tips to help you embark on your investment journey with confidence. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making informed decisions, staying patient, and watching your money grow over time. So, let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of investing, where you can turn your financial dreams into reality. The stock market, at its core, is like a giant online marketplace where buyers and sellers come together to trade pieces of publicly traded companies. These pieces are called stocks, and owning a stock represents a small ownership stake in that company. Imagine it as owning a tiny slice of your favorite bakery or tech giant. When a company performs well, its stock price generally goes up, and when it doesn't, the price may go down. Investors buy stocks hoping that the companies they invest in will succeed, increasing the value of their shares. The stock market provides a platform for companies to raise capital to expand their operations, develop new products, or hire more employees. At the same time, it offers individuals the opportunity to participate in the growth of these companies and potentially earn a return on their investment. Understanding the stock market's dynamics is essential for making informed investment decisions. It's crucial to research companies, analyze their financial health, and stay updated on market trends. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when navigating the world of investments. Now that you have a basic understanding of the stock market, let's explore the various investment options available to you. Stocks, as we've discussed, represent ownership in individual companies. Bonds, on the other hand, are like loans you give to governments or corporations. When you buy a bond, you're essentially lending money in exchange for regular interest payments and the return of your principal at a predetermined date. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, offer a convenient way to invest in a basket of assets, such as stocks, bonds, or commodities, with a single purchase. They trade on stock exchanges like individual stocks, providing diversification and flexibility. Mutual funds, similar to ETFs, pool money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio. However, mutual funds are managed by professional fund managers, making them a suitable option for investors who prefer a hands-off approach. Each investment option comes with its own set of risks and potential rewards. Diversifying your portfolio by spreading your investments across different asset classes is crucial to mitigate risk and maximize your chances of earning consistent returns over time. Section 4. Taking your first steps safely. Taking the first step into the world of investing might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Start by setting clear financial goals. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or your child's education? Determining your investment timeline and risk tolerance is crucial. Next, choose a reputable brokerage account that aligns with your investment style and experience level. Consider factors such as trading fees, research tools, and customer support when selecting a brokerage. Once you have a brokerage account, you can start investing. However, it's essential to begin cautiously and gradually increase your investment amount as you gain experience and confidence. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Instead, focus on building a diversified portfolio that aligns with your financial goals and risk appetite. Section 5. Practical tips for beginner investors. Investing in what you know is a great starting point. Consider companies whose products and services you use and understand. Research their financial health, competitive landscape, and future prospects before investing. Don't be afraid to seek advice from financial advisors or experienced investors. Emotional discipline is crucial in investing. Avoid making rash decisions based on fear or greed. Stick to your investment plan and ride out market volatility. Lastly, remember that learning is an ongoing process in the ever-evolving world of finance. Stay informed about market trends, economic indicators, and investment strategies. Investing in the stock market offers a path to financial freedom and security. By taking the time to educate yourself, plan wisely, and stay disciplined, you can harness the power of the market to achieve your financial aspirations and secure your future. Now that you've dipped your toes into the world of investing, continue exploring, learning, and growing your knowledge. Your future self will thank you for it.